Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Dodge's 2003 to 2012 Ram 2500 and 3500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Clear any fuel or brake lines from the work area. Unbolt and raise the bed. Step 3. Cut off the factory rear bed mount at the base of the mount. Install a frame repair kit if necessary. Step 4. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer. Align the mount and frame reinforcement on the frame rail using the factory parts silhouette, following proper welding procedure. Tack weld the mount and frame reinforcement in place, then weld all edges fully. Step 5. Paint the part with rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall any fuel or brake lines, then lower and reinstall the bed.